Good morning, class. Thank once again. Yes, good morning. And now we're going on with our discussion for today regarding, of course, technical writing. And please allow me to wear my jacket as it's very cold in here. As we all know, it's been raining heavy for the past few days, and it's fast approach. December is fast approaching, and usually when it's December, our temperature is going low. So, yeah, specifically for those students we have, of course, in Luzon and Visayas, we're for the past week we've experienced bad weather due to the typhoons that had entered our country. For Mindanao, as usual, no, Mindanao don't experience much of typhoons as compared to different parts of the Philippines. I've lived for maybe a couple of decades, or about 10 years in Mindanao, and I haven't experienced knowing that a typhoon entered the island of Mindanao. Yes, so I believe we have a campus from we have attendees from ACLC Tagum, and that's in Davao del Sur, I believe. That's at least an hour out of Davao City. I think we have students from Caloocan, Naga City, and Alaminos. So I hope everything's fine there in Alaminos. I believe Typhoon Mina passed through the northern part of Luzon, and for Naga, I believe Mina almost passed through Bicol region. It's a good thing that for those people in Bicol that Mina changes direction, but bad thing for those living in due north because Mina went there. So I'm just basically giving you some recent events on what's happening. Basically, I always do that in my class. I always put in some thoughts about current events so that my students would if some of my students watch television or news, at least I can be of purpose. We only have 4 campuses in this class until now. I sure hope this would not be the case until the end of the semester. I'm still hoping that some more campuses would join in the discussion. Okay, so as I just said, we now have 6 campuses. We have Irigan. Of course, I believe Irigan has been in the class for the past, Tacloban. There you go. So let's go on with the discussion today. So, okay, so if you would remember last week, we discussed about, okay, so just first reminders, if you encounter any issues with your logins, your Intralearn login, immediately report it to the IT department of your campus with the following information. Of course, your student ID number, your complete name, complete name, campus, email address, username and password, course code, and instructor's name. I believe you by now would be familiar with these informations that are needed for your. Okay, from our previous webcasts, we have discussed this, and I hope you have absorbed our discussion for last week. There you go. So we discussed about the definition and nature of technical writing. We've